If things are not going as planned, it is because God has a better plan for you. Hindi ito ang nasa plano at pangarap kong gawin. Pero may paraan si Lord na ipakita ang tamang direksyon na inilaan niya para sa atin. Maniwala ka lang. Magtiwala ka lang. I am a licensed professional teacher, a mother, and a daughter who always dreams of a better life for my family. I believe in my purpose. A falcons with wings of victory, wisdom, superiority, and freedom. Para sa aking family, sa Team Falcons, at sa mga taong bahagi at magiging part pa ng journey ko. Para sa inyo ito. Never fear to decide. Face your challenges and take action with faith. Sabay-sabay tayong lilipad paangat. Always remember, commit to the Lord whatever you do, and your plans will succeed. I am Hanilei Ulila Kulyarin, an agent of hope, and I am worldwide.